Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version before you try connecting an SSD. Newer iPhones with USB-C offer direct connections and better power delivery. Older Lightning phones can work with a compatible adapter and the right cable. Verify the SSD file system. Apps, exFAT, and FAT32 provide broad compatibility with iOS. Check that the Files app recognizes external storage on your device. If Files cannot see the SSD, try a powered hub or a different cable and restart the phone. Choose the correct cable or adapter for your iPhone and SSD before connecting. Use a USB-C to USB-C cable for direct connections on USB-C iPhones whenever possible. For Lightning iPhones, use a Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter with a powered USB hub. Some bus-powered SSDs need external power, so add a powered hub if the drive fails to mount. Check cable length and quality. Short, well-shielded cables reduce errors and improve transfer speeds. Always connect power first if using a hub, then attach the SSD, then unlock the iPhone. Use the Files app to browse, copy, and move files between iPhone storage and the SSD. Tap Select, choose Files, then use Copy or Move to transfer documents and media safely. For large transfers, keep your iPhone awake and connected to power to avoid interruptions. Always eject the SSD in the Files app before disconnecting to prevent data corruption. If the iPhone cannot read the drive, reformat it on a computer to Apps or exFAT and retry. Regularly back up important files to cloud or another drive for redundancy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.